going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We'll review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're going to look at this Insta360 One X. This is a 3D camera. I'm so excited about it. This could be the ultimate vlogging cam that you could get in the market right now, I think. Why? Because you could get a 360 view. It records at 5.7K. It has flow stability and is 18 megapixels. It might not sound like a lot, but the quality is awesome. So in the box it includes the 360 X1 camera. It comes with bullet time accessory, a pouch, the battery, the charging, the quick guide, the warranty, and the packaging. It's pretty dope. You can see it's mind-blowing. It shoots video at 5.7K video with 18 megapixel, has stability, 360 caption, cinematic slow flow, bullet time. Is nice. It works with Android, iPhone, iPad, and Final Cut Pro. So let's open it up and let's see what we got. I opened it and then I just realized, oh snap, let me do a video real quick. So let's open it up. I already took the little tabs in the back. Come on. The packaging is awesome, I'll tell you this much. It's a good. The price on this was $300. I'm gonna leave the link down below if y'all interested in it. You can see the camera is nice and small. You can see it's beautiful. It's nice. This is where your battery goes. You pop it open right there. Your SSD goes in here if I'm not mistaken. Oh yeah, SSD go in here. Is micro USB charging. I wish it would have been type C, but it is what it is. So we're gonna put this to the side. Here's the time, the bullet time. I don't know where I left it. I forgot where I put it. I'm not sure, but I took it out. Oh, it's upstairs. I couldn't wait. Here's the battery, small little battery. I actually ordered 2 more with it, and with the battery, I also bought. Let me see if I find it. Where is it? Okay. I also bought a charging crate for 3 batteries. It looks like this. Oh, there you go. It looks like something like this. You put your battery in here, so it could charge all 3 of them at the same time. So it's pretty cool. So I'm basically gonna have. Well, I'm trying to buy. I should buy 3. No, I bought 2. Yeah, I bought 2, and I should buy another one just so I have 3 in here, 1 in here, because if you're recording, you will get like around an hour or 2, if I'm not mistaken. So it's pretty cool. Let's see what we got underneath here. It's nice packaging, man. It's pretty dope. Okay, we got the pouch here. Nice pouch. Make sure you protect your lens. And I also I'm planning to buy a little rubber skin for it, so it's not bad. Has the logo. Nice strap. Giggity. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty nice. Let's put this here. It comes with a sticker, a transparent sticker, which is pretty awesome. That's pretty cool. A little guide, how everything goes, how everything starts. I'm gonna look into it later on. I'm definitely gonna do a video so y'all can see how it is in another video. A little quick installation guide. It says connect to your phone. Let's see what we got here. I've never seen an unboxing of this. I just seen always a review. They're talking about it. So let's see what we got here. I guess it's the micro USB cable. Oh no, they give us 3. Okay. So we got here a micro USB with a type C. Awesome. A micro USB with a micro USB. And then a micro USB with a lightning port, a lightning cable, a lightning port. Not bad, definitely That's definitely pretty cool. Let's put this right here. And then I guess we connect it to the computer over here. Yep. Nice USB to micro. It's a little unboxing, making sure so y'all can see what it comes in here. Nice packaging, nice presentation. I can't say anything bad about it. It's pretty cool. Next video, hopefully I could get a video of me recording with the Insta360. I'm so excited about it. I've been waiting for this moment for a couple weeks, I could say. So I'll let y'all know how everything went. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I'm going to leave a donation link down below. If y'all would like to donate to my channel, I will gladly appreciate it. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.